Hi, my name is Lindsay Gourlay, and thank you for allowing me to speak at this year's symposium. We will be talking about Lee Hanna's Saving a Million Species, Extinction Risks from Climate Change. An overview of Lee Hanna. He has a PhD in environmental science and engineering from UCLA. He has written research journals that have been appeared in Nature, Conservation Biology, and Bioscience. He wrote an award-winning book called Climate Change and Biodiversity. He is a senior fellow at Conservation International Betty and Gordon Moore Center for Science and Oceans. He is currently working on a collaboration between Benn's School and UC Santa Barbara to model a climate impact on species in California. Saving a Million Species was written in 2011. The book consists of a collection of several different studies used to help Lee Hanna answer the following 4 questions. Are a million species at risk of extinction? Why should we care? Right for the wrong reasons? And how can we help? Several studies show how climate change is negatively impacting species. In the upcoming slides, I'll provide an overview of the studies used to help the author answer his 4 questions. Are a million species at risk? The golden toad extinction. The species is native to Costa Rica forest and was last seen in 1989 and is currently listed as extinct. The disappearing was originally attributed to El Nino weather changes and was later discovered that climate change was the real cause of the disappearance. The toad contracted the climate change-driven clostridium fungus, which is fatal to the toad and is easily spreadable. Some comparable research is actually on coral bleaching. There are many episodes of coral bleaching between 1983 and 2016 in the Great Barrier Reef. The bleaching episodes originally was blamed on El Nino as well. The study was performed to find that the root cause was not El Nino, because El Nino does not cause surface temperature change. On the other hand, climate change does cause surface temperature change, therefore making climate change the root cause of the bleaching sessions. The reef continues to suffer till this day due to the bleaching events. Why should we/do we care? If climate change continues on its current path, biodiversity will be significantly impacted. A quote by Hanna states, "Anyone concerned about conservation sees extinction as a critical yardstick because it indicates irreversible loss. Biologists care because loss of a species is the loss of an entire evolutionary history, and the unique set of biological attributes information can't be replicated in any other way. People of faith care because the creation is one of the great gifts of the Almighty, and extinction slowly destroys that gift. School children, students, and others see extinction as a clear sign that we are not properly taking care of our planet." Right for the wrong reasons. Many flaws can be found in earlier research methods. The purpose of saving a million species is to elaborate on those biases. The prime example of the gold toad extinction and coral reef bleaching events being blamed on El Nino. Now with more research and improved methods, we discovered that both extinctions are connected to climate change. How can we help? To prevent extinction, we must therefore act on both habitat loss and climate change, and do so quickly. Initiative-based complements to regulations, which include things like carbon markets, improving conservation strategies, early reduction in greenhouse gases, and several climate change policies. These are my references used throughout my speech today. Thank you for listening, and